Hey guys, this is ArchieLuxury, and today I want to show you the ArchieLuxury cribs. The cribs tour. That's right guys, it's all amazing. You're going to take a look at this studio and you're not going to believe what we've done. Let's change cameras, get the Osmo out, and let's take a look. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury. Go to f2bbs.com. www.f2bbs.com. The last bastion of free speech on the interweb. That's right guys. I want you to go to www.f2bbs.com. That's right. I want you to go there. You can, this is a great site to fight against all sorts of nastiness by posting on f2bbs.com, the last bastion of free speech on the interweb. Go there, guys. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the cribs, the ArchieLuxury cribs. This is my courtyard, and I got quite a few plants here. I've also got some bees. Nice plants, nice serene. This is Queensland, a little bit of a staghorn there, elkhorn. And then we're going to take a look inside my cribs. This is the cribs. Look at this. And I got to tell you, it's looking very, very clean and beautiful. Look what has happened here. The cribs, it's been totally cleaned out. 100% cleaned, steamed out. It's looking beautiful. So what have we done here? Well, we've installed new carpet. We've changed some of the furniture around. We've gotten rid of boxes and stuff. So, guys, I gotta tell you, this is looking $1 million. It's been slow. And it's been a steady pace. And I've even got nice curtains. Look at these curtains here. The beautiful blue, 1960s blue. I love them. I love them. Absolutely beautiful. So let's take a look at the cribs here. So we walk into the room. We've got an air conditioner, a wall rattler. We've got a hat stand, umbrella stand. We've got some, look at this, we've got a bookshelf. This is Rolex books, Louis Vuitton, and Japanese magazines. That's right, this is why the Pontiff is the Pontiff, because he's got the reference library. We've got a camera stand and lighting. The Pontiff himself here we go, we've got a tribute. We've got some bronze sculptures. And the Pontiff himself, surrounded by his 3 favorite airlines: Scoot, Tiger, and Jetstar. There we go. There we go indeed. So there we go. We've got the Rolex books. This is wristwatch books. There's Royal Oak. Those books are getting quite rare. We've then got Louis Vuitton books and catalogs, and underneath that, Rolex Japanese books and some watch magazines. Next to that there, we've got clear carpet. Look at this carpet. It's so clear. It's never been so clear in its lifetime. We've got this bookcase here. It's a tribute to Archie. Doctor Who. Can you see the Doctor Who, the TARDIS? The TARDIS. We've got catalogs, reference guide, magazines, all sorts of stuff here. We've got next door to that there, we've got another bookshelf, Patek, Tudor, Breitling, IWC, JLC, Cartier, and magazines. Car books, classic car. Patek magazine. This here is all Patek magazine. That's why he's the Pontiff. That's Patek magazine. And underneath that, classic car and Octane. And here we've got the Patek Shrine, the shrine to Patek Philippe. 2 watch winders. We've got a stand here, and inside here, this is every box that belongs to one of Chesterfield's. Every box that belongs to Chesterfield's watches is here. This is where it's stored. The watches, of course, are in the bank safe for security reasons. But there we go. This is the Patek Shrine. And I got to tell you, the whole area itself, it's not overcrowded. It's looking quite nice. It's reasonable. We've got the fridge, all the clutter, the bucket, the KFC bucket's gone. The KFC bucket of chicken is gone. It's gone. We've got nice sort of decorations on the wall here. It's actually quite reasonable. And to stop wearing the carpet out, we got a protector, a chair protector, a chair mat. Look at that. We've got a little document safe here. This is where I keep my papers, the watch papers itself. Look at this. It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. We're mic'd up. We're ready to go, big boy. We're ready to go. It's all here. So that is actually so much neater and nicer. The cupboards themselves there, well, we've been sorting them out. We're not fully finished, but we've got buckets with stuff stored in them. We've got financial records. We've got everything is here. Everything's here and stored and kept. We've just got one coffee machine as an artefarte exhibit. That's artefarte exhibito. That's what it is. It's an artefarte exhibito. Artefarte exhibito. Even the refrigerator, it's pretty lean. It's been defrosted. She's been defrosted. Look at this. She's defrosted. And look at that. It's quite nicely done. The fridge here. We got some meat, chuck steak, and one ice cream and some ice. It's actually quite reasonable. Archie, where is the mess? The mess is gone. So I got to tell you guys, this is the studio. We've got the new curtains. Look at these curtains. Look at this. It opens up. You can open up the studio. Beautiful garden views. Look at this. It is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning, guys. Look at this. We've got beautiful curtains. Matching curtains. It matches the carpet. It's all beautiful. This is the cribs. It's the cribs. The cribs. So I've been a bit busy. I apologize if there's a delay in any of the paid reviews. But guys, I needed to get the studio. This looks absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So there you go, guys. That's the ArchieLuxury cribs. The cribs. Tell me what you think, guys. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. And this is the man cave. What do you think of Archie's man cave? Okay, guys. I will see you in the next one.
Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW.
Hey guys, it's ArchieLuxury. I'm coming to you from my cribs. I want to say a very, very special thank you to ER for making this all possible. Her contribution to my carpet and just her general generosity over the years has made me the YouTube success that the rodents can only dream of. Thank you, ER. I greatly appreciate your kind support and patronage. ArchieLuxury, the greatest YouTuber in the wristwatch space. And I don't buy views. I don't buy subs. I don't buy views like a lot of the cheaters out there. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury channel, and we've got new carpet. I want to thank ER. ER is the lady who made all this possible, because it wasn't my doing. She very kindly donated the channel, and we've got new carpet, synthetic carpet. No more carpet beetles. That's right. So now I'm just repacking. I'm doing a redesign. We're going to go for a more academic look. We've got bookshelves. These are some bookshelves. I reshuffled the furniture, and we're going for a new academic look. ArchieLuxury channel. No more carpet beetles. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury. Who do I recommend for watches in Brisbane and Sydney? Vintage Watch Co. That's correct. Vintage Watch Co. in Brisbane Arcade in Brisbane and the Strand Arcade in Sydney. Vintage Watch Co. Brisbane and Sydney. Ronnie, I've known him since the late 90s. Ronnie is a top bloke. Luke is a great guy. Vintage Watch Co. That is who I recommend in Australia. Check out Vintage Watch Co. and the guys' amazing range of watches. They also do service and repairs. Vintage Watch Co. That is where the pontiff goes. You know, some of my Pateks came from Vintage Watch Co. That's right, guys. Vintage Watch Co.